But I've seen a lot of men that keeps on saying that not only Nigerian men, that it's everywhere, that there are good and bad people everywhere. Yes, I know, and I keep saying that in my video, that there are a lot of good and bad people. But in this video, I'm not talking about them. I'm only talking about the Nigerian man.
This girl's a wonder. She loves me as she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah.
Hi guys, we're back for another video. This is Mela, and for today we will talk about the part 2 of the red flags in dating a Nigerian man. For those who haven't watched the part 1, I'll link it down below. So just a disclaimer, this video are for women that are dating a Nigerian man. But I've seen a lot of men that keeps on saying that not only Nigerian men, that it's everywhere, that there are good and bad people everywhere. Yes, I know, and I keep saying that in my video, that there are a lot of good and bad people. But in this video, I'm not talking about them. I'm only talking about the Nigerian man. Since the women that are following me are dating a Nigerian man, so I think that makes sense that I'm doing only a video about Nigerian man. You understand? So the first one, if your guy is being secretive. Okay, so it's normal for a Nigerian man that sometimes they're being secretive when it comes to their plans. Yeah, they don't normally share it to others. But when you're dating, I mean, I think it's good to know the person that you're dating. Like his real name, his age, his birthday, real birthday, about his family, if his parents are still alive, how many brother he has, like those things. But if the guy is being too secretive to the point that you just know his name, you're just seeing the person, like you're just sleeping with him, like there's nothing special about your relationship, I think that's a big red flag. Because if you are dating, you are there to know each other. But if that dating stage, like you're not knowing the person aside from name, aside from, you know, you're seeing each other, there's nothing special about relationship. It's just like you're seeing and sleeping with him. Unless if you are in that relationship to be serious, I think you deserve to know more about that guy. Not only his name and, you know, those common things that you will know when knowing the person, but about his personal life, like share about his family, like he don't include you in those stuff. Yeah, I think that's a red flag. There are some guys that are doing well already. They're financially stable, not like they're rich, but they have money, they're capable already. But he don't really talk about the future with you. He don't really include you about the future. I mean, his future plans. Like for example, when he's planning to build a house, like he never show you, he never ask your opinion about the house that he wants to build. Like if he wants to buy a car, he doesn't show you if it's nice or if you like it. Or when you talk about family, like he never talk anything about future plans or never include you in his future plans. Because if you're in that relationship for quite some time already and the guy seems like, you keep asking yourself, are we going somewhere? Is it a relationship is going somewhere? So if the guy is not talking about futures with you, that's a big red flag. It means that, yeah, you're there for the meantime. The third red flag, if your Nigerian man doesn't consider you as part of him. Yeah, he doesn't consider you as part of his life. When something happens in your, like, have emergency in your family, like he's not really, like he's not willing to help. No interest in helping you. Because serious Nigerian man, if he sees his woman like in pain or have problem, he consider it as his problem as well. Or when he's talking about his family, or when someone called like his parents, and he will come outside, like he's not comfortable to talk about his family in front of you, that's a big red flag as well. Yeah, and also he doesn't consider you as part of him or part of his family, because when you're part of his family, he will be open, he will share what happened, or when his parents or brothers call him. No, there's no problem to be answering the call in front of you, because he's seeing you as his partner or part of him. Any talk about family issues, family matter, he will go out. The next one is when your Nigerian man lies a lot. Layo. So, it's normal for us to lie, like small things, small lies. But when the person constantly lie to you in front of you, even the person knows that you're lying, he still lie. He still want to lie. So if he can lie in those small things, like where did he eat, what did he eat, where did he go, those small stuff, he will not hesitate to lie about big things. It's normal for human being to lie, but a serious Nigerian man, to keep his relationship with someone, he'd rather say it than to be lying all the time. Even if it's a bit painful, or even he may offend you, he will rather say it than to be lying all the time. So the last one, when your Nigerian man cheats a lot, like cheats all the time. I know that there is no perfect relationship, there are no perfect human beings, but we should not normalize cheating. I think when someone made a mistake and he's sincerely sorry about what he did, I think even God can forgive. Why can't we? But if the person consider cheating as a hobby, because there are some men who it's a hobby already for them. But you as a woman, if you can tolerate cheating, it's really up to you. But I know there are some Nigerian men that are faithful to their wives, like they're stick to one. There are no perfect relationship, but there are still Nigerian men that are very, very faithful, honest to their wives. So always remember that cheating is a choice. But I think if it happened once or twice, you can forgive the person. No, it depends on the situation. But if he keeps saying sorry all the time, that he didn't mean it, but it keeps happening over and over again, I think that one is not sorry. So ladies, always remember that men are very clear about what they want in a relationship. If they just want to waste your time, they will show it. If they just want to sleep with you, they will show it. Open your eyes, open your ears, and receive sense. Be wise. If your man is showing something to you, believe them. Believe them. Oh. Don't say that, okay, maybe. You have a lot of maybe. But once the guy, they know what they want in you. Like what I've said, if they want to waste your time, they will show it. If he's showing it to you, listen to them. Listen to them and believe them. There is no perfect relationship. You know the guy that you're dating. These red flags doesn't mean that you should leave him. This is just to show you that maybe, or you might be entering in a danger zone with your guy. So it doesn't mean that you should leave him. It's just a warning. So be aware of the red flags. But still, in the end, it's up to you. If it makes you happy to stay with him for the meantime, you can continue. I'm not here to stop your happiness, but I just give you some awareness. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. So for our next video, we will talk about why is it Ibus prefer a male child than a female child. So watch out for my next video, and thank you all guys for watching. Bye!